Brandeis Residence Hall is a 5-story project, has 631 beds, cross-laminated timber floor slabs, also has cold-form metal frame stud walls, glue lam, as you can see behind me here. Everything with this project was very front-end thought of. We brought in the trades very early on and had them understand what the important parts for not only the successful construction operations, but also what Brandeis is looking for.
Brandeis and the project team really emphasized the importance of sustainability, improving the student experience on campus. On the sustainability side, this project is striving for quite an exceptional goal with the Passive House certification. The mass timber is a really amazing sustainability story as well as an aesthetic benefit to the students. You can see here in the space, this will be the finished condition. The project on the sustainability side is also all electric, which is an important goal as Brandeis reduces the fossil fuel use on campus. The CLT in this project allowed for a lot of important aspects. One was the dimension of the project. The width of a residence hall has a very standard dimension. It might be plus or minus a few feet, but in terms of what singles and doubles mean in a double loaded corridor building like we're in, the width of it was perfect for CLT. These planks came in 50-foot lengths, which is the width of the building. The incremental ability to set those planks along the length of the building sped construction, meant we had fewer load-bearing walls on the interior, more flexibility for planning the project, and it really just worked incredibly well with the module of single and double beds in the residence hall setup.
So building with CLT, thinking of it as this Austrian slab coming across the ocean and all of a sudden landing on top of your walls, that's your finished slab. You're all done with it. Both Dimeo and William Rawn have had experience with CLT and cold form metal framing in the past, but we've never done a project putting them both together. So this is the first time that this unique build has come together for both of us, and we're able to put this structure up in a really incredible pace. We are seeing high quality coming out of the manufacturing plants, as opposed to if we were to put all this emphasis on site, then you would have obviously added construction debris on site, you would have added safety concerns on site, and obviously work hours on site, which would bring more of a workforce to this community that already has a limited amount of parking, a limited amount of space that they have around Waltham to be able to facilitate 200 or 300 workers on site.
We see the mass timber as being a really suitable candidate and benefit to residence halls. And we know that as we look to new opportunities, we've got a case study here at Brandeis of how that can work so well, how you can do it right, and really what the benefits for the clients are. So we're excited to continue to build that momentum on the mass timber and see where those opportunities lie in the future.